so I managed to get all the buttons across, but then it just doesn't. They always spritz their packages, like their orders, with perfume, so I'm really happy. I was almost positive that I was gonna have to return these and order them like in a different. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a very quick haul for you guys from Sezane. I just got my credit for spring less than a week ago. I quickly picked out the items I wanted and they arrived very quickly as well. So I'm super excited to try these out. I'm going to do a little bit of a try on as well. I only have 3 pieces. It's not like the hugest haul, but they're pieces that I am very excited about. So like I said, I ordered 3 different items, 1 dress, 1 skirt, and 1 pair of pants. And I actually did end up spending more than my credit because I really wanted all 3 of these pieces. So I'm going to be trying them on and figuring out if they're going to work for me sizing wise and all of that. It can be a little bit tricky for me because I'm definitely in between sizes. They always spritz their packages, like their orders, with perfume, and so they always arrive smelling so good. So this skirt is the Nicole in a crew. This is a size US 2. So it's a 34 in French sizing. So this is what the skirt looks like. It's a long maxi skirt. It's definitely very summery with like the eyelet style fabric. So I've been wanting a white skirt for quite some time now. I thrifted a white denim skirt, but it was definitely too big for me and the tailoring like wasn't super great. So it was worth a try, but I figured that I would see if I could find a better white skirt from Sezane, and they did happen to have this one in their spring collection. And then I also picked out this pair of trouser pants. So I have also been wanting a pair of trouser pants. I don't know if that's what the right wording is for these, just like dressier, tailored looking pants. I think that these look so cute with like a chunky sweater over them, or maybe like a cami with a button-up blouse. These would look great with like this black shirt that I'm wearing. So there's a lot of different ways that I could style these, and I just thought like they're comfier than jeans because I'm all about being comfy, and they can easily be dressed up or down. So I have very high hopes for these. I have not had very much luck ordering pants from Sezane. I do have their Le Crop pant. I have one that's a size, I think it's a size 34 and then a size 38. Maybe it's like a 36 and a 38, I'm not sure, but I ordered a bigger size for one of them because the smaller size was a little bit too tight. But the problem is that I have short legs, so ordering a bigger size means that they're a little too long on me, and the one that does fit me like at the right length is a little too tight. So I wasn't really sure, but based off of those, I ordered a size 36 in these, and I figured I could just get them tailored if I need to. So I have very high hopes for these. I would have preferred like a creamier color, like more of an off-white, but this is the color that they had that was closest to that. So it's a little bit more of a beige tan color. So this is the dress that I selected. This is the Fitia Imprime Pois. I am terrible at French, so I'm gonna be linking these for you guys. But anyway, it's this beautiful polka dot dress. It is a long line dress, so this will probably be down to my ankles, but I thought that this would be so pretty in Italy once we moved there. Like this is like the perfect like Europe dress. So I'm very excited about this dress. I'm also just hoping that this is gonna fit me right. This is a size 2 US, 34 French. sizing, they actually had a brown polka dot dress, so like exactly the same dress but with brown instead, and that's the one that I really wanted, but it was sold out already. Like that morning when I went to go and select everything from their collection, which was out that day, it was already sold out. So I ended up with this one, which I do love, like the look of black polka dot as well. I actually have a vintage black polka dot dress that was my mom's. It's like a short mini dress, and it's just too tight on my hips. So I'm gonna be leaving that here with her when we move to Colorado. And then from Colorado, we're actually going to be moving to Europe. So in like about a year, we'll be moving to Europe. So I have actually been downsizing my closet, downsizing my Sezane collection. So if you guys have missed those videos, I will link them for you. But that's why I'm being very selective about anything that I'm bringing in. I'm basically selecting things that I've been wanting and maybe needed to replace with something else that wasn't working, or just pieces that I know are classic and timeless and that are going to be really easy to like mix and match. That's kind of my thing. So now that I've shown you guys the items, I'm going to go ahead and try them. Okay, so this is kind of a miracle. These fit me really well at my waist. They're a little bit more loose around the waist, and that is just because I have a tinier waist area, but then I have wider hips. So this still fits like really well to where it's not too loose. And then on my hip area, there's still is plenty of room. These feel like really comfortable. Like if I were to sit down, that's kind of my thing too. Like if I sit down, the crotch area sometimes can be uncomfortable, like especially with jeans and even like the Le Crop pants. But so that is like why I was really wanting these, and they do totally feel like so much comfier. Like I will just be like easy breezy in these, and they look very chic. They're a little wrinkled right now, but there's the pleats in them, which give it that kind of like more tailored, dressier look. And then as far as the length, usually Sezane pants are like way too long on me, but these actually fit, or they actually hit at a really good spot, I would say, on my ankles. Yeah, I think so. They could maybe be like a hair shorter, but I am so happy with these, you guys. They fit me like perfectly, actually. So I'm really happy. I was almost positive that I was gonna have to return these and order them like in a different size. So I'm really glad. I'm happy with these. Okay, so I sized down on this skirt based off of a different maxi skirt that I have from Sezane. So just so you guys know, these are actually buttons. The other maxi skirt that I have is a zipper. So, oops. I think I prefer a zipper. I think that's just easier, but for whatever reason, this is with buttons. And so basically I ordered it a little bit smaller because the other maxi skirt I have is smaller, since I do have a smaller waist area. And then lengthwise, I think it's a good length. It could be like just a tiny bit shorter, I think, as well. So maybe I could even hike this up a little bit higher, but then it's a little uncomfortable. So I think it's pretty good, but I would think it should be maybe like a tiny bit shorter. So the buttons go all the way down the front. But yeah, I think this is really pretty. This is like kind of exactly what I had in mind, like a white skirt that I could style with like a shirt tucked in, or like a chunky sweater over, something like that. I just think is really pretty and timeless, and there are so many ways that you could style this white skirt. Like it's just so versatile. So perfect for spring and summer. It's a little teeny bit tight on the waist. My other maxi skirt in the same size like fits perfectly, but it is a different skirt, so it just kind of like varies piece to piece. But I think I'm happy with this. I don't think I need to like size up or size down on it. I would say. I'm not sure. I'll have to think about it because it would be nice to have a little bit more room right here. Okay, so this is a problem that I always have with Sezane, where it's too tight on the armpit area because I do have kind of like broad shoulders. So when you have like broad shoulders, there's just not enough fabric to stretch across my chest. So I'll button up the rest of these. Oh no, I hate doing little buttons like this, but I'm thinking that I will probably have to return this and get a bigger size, because I hate like having tight fabric right there under my armpit area. It just really irritates me. The other option would be to take my bra off and just not wear it with a bra. Okay, so I managed to get all the buttons across, but then it just doesn't fit right on the chest. So let me try taking the bra off and see if that helps. Okay, so I'm not wearing a bra now and it's still a no-go. And then the problem is that because I'm short, I'm only 5'3½", the dress is basically already a little bit too long. And so if I order a size up so that it fits me across my chest, then it's going to be even longer, and then it's definitely going to need to be tailored. But at least this dress seems like it would be kind of easy to tailor. And besides that, I do really love it, and I think this is super pretty. So I might just have to take my chances and return it and order it in a bigger size, which I usually don't like doing because I've done that in the past and then the dress was like completely sold out. So I couldn't get the dress at all. Like I couldn't return the dress, exchange it, and get a bigger one. So I might have to just take my chances because this is obviously just not gonna work. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this mini Sezane spring haul. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you're subscribed and turn on your bell notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And also don't forget to follow along with me on all socials at The Urban Darling, and check out my blog, theurbandarling.com. As I mentioned, I will be linking these pieces in the caption below, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!